Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Java method overloading can be tricky, but we will solve this problem fast by looking for a specific compilation error in the provided class code. First, look closely at the class SumMethods because it actually does not compile at all. This happens because it contains two methods named testMethod that share the exact same parameter. Specifically, the third and fourth methods both take a single integer as an argument. Even though their return types are different, Java cannot distinguish between them during a method call. Java overloaded methods require different parameter lists. Since these signatures match, the code fails, making option E the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and trust given rules to avoid any common coding rush.